Hi everyone. So let me share you something very interesting. So what happened, once upon a time there was an enterprise, and that enterprise had its own order management system, OMS, or what we thought was one, but in reality it was five different systems wearing the same name. Like for example, its website took orders, and then the mobile application also took orders, and then marketplace also took orders, but none of them agreed on what actually happened to that order after that. Actually, it's a common problem everywhere. So if you are getting orders from multiple places for the same domain, like for example, if you have the same order management system and you are getting orders from different systems, then this problem normally comes because all the system, they are not properly aligned with each other, and they just do not agree on what actually happens to the order after getting that. So like for example, inventory, if you ask inventory, then it will say in stock. If you ask warehouse, it will say not my problem, and customer support system will just say let me check, and it never reverts back. This is where enterprise architecture always steps in. So using TOGAF is normally I use TOGAF, so I would mention TOGAF. You can use any other, you can mention any other enterprise architecture tool. So with the help of TOGAF, what we do, we normally create the baseline architecture with the help by using the current capabilities of the business, and we politely accept that everything is broken. Yes, we just accept that everything is broken. We have to take care of all the system altogether. So everything is broken, so what we will be doing, we will design a target architecture, our future state of the capabilities, and would propose a proper centralized OMS system, clean API layer, shared inventory servicing, and event driven flow, so every system finally hears the same truth. And TOGAF ADM, you might be knowing about ADM, architecture development mode method. So with the help of TOGAF ADM, it helps us move from chaos to clarity, step by step, not by hope and prayer. So with the help of these, with proper architecture governance, we make sure that no one goes back to building just one more quick integration. In the end, the OMS stops being a group chat of confused systems and becomes a real enterprise platform. Thank you.